Some of us don't realize it that sometimes we are brand ambassador without pay, and some of us, we know that we are brand ambassador without pay, but we chose not to, not to acknowledge it because we want to look some certain way when we dress up. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you my own opinion. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you agree with me or not, it is fine. We all cannot be on the same page, so we all will disagree to agree. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be giving you the reason why you're going to forever remain unpaid ambassador. As usual, I already have my points down right here because I do not want to waste your precious time by blabbing and using a lot of hem. Alright, ladies, so for my first point, I don't know if you have noticed, some people are just walking billboard. Yes, you see them, they wear too many logos. That means you are a brand ambassador without pay. You are advertising for this brand without them paying you to do so. You go to the store, you purchase this particular item by yourself, and you choose to dress from head to toe with logo of this particular brand, and you are advertising free for them. It's free ad and also a walking billboard. And sometimes when you have so much logo on your outfits, it just screams either low class or no class at all. Do you agree with me? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. The next point on my list is the one I call logo for the logo. Like they put two brands together or three brands in the same outfit, like Gucci, Fendi, Ferrari, Versace. You know what I mean? I know Ferrari is a brand of car, but I'm just trying to explain. It's just the bottom line. I call these people the set of, mix up coin. Like they just miss like 3 or 4 brand names in the same outfit, and when people come across this set of styling, you just come across like trying too hard to be noticed, trying too hard to say, oh, I got the money and I can wear these brands. No, we're not saying we shouldn't wear. Nobody is telling you how to dress up, or nobody is telling you what to use your money to buy or not, but just a little bit of this and that will scream class and sophistication, in my own opinion. But combining about 3 to 4 brands in the same outfit, it just screams trashy and ghetto. There's no other way to call it. My top point is still the same from the second point. This is the top point. Like, I am not here to tell you or project my style to you not to wear branded logo. Yes, well, at least maybe one in your whole outfit. Let it just say class, let it say chic, let it say fabulous, not that too much of logo, just minimalist. No one is telling you not to wear logo. I can't even tell you what to do or what not to do, but I'm just sharing my opinion in this video that you are a brand ambassador and you will forever remain a brand ambassador without pay. The fourth point that I'm going to share with you is that when you wear too much logo, it becomes outdated at a certain particular point in time. Let's think about this in the aspect of trend. When a particular brand decided to bring out a particular style that is trending, and they put their logos on it, and people rush out there to go purchase them, what will happen after a while? That particular outfit or particular design will no longer be in trend, and it becomes outdated. It will no longer trend. And where does that leave you? Outdated brand ambassador without pay. Ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is a very short and quick video. There is no too much way to talk about this because we've seen it a lot in other videos. I just wanted to shape my own opinion into this. What can you do instead? You know, instead of you to remain forever brand ambassador without pay, what you can do is allow at least one particular thing in your outfit to shine. One particular thing in your dressing from head to toe, allow that particular thing to shine. You don't have to put logo upon logo upon logo. Just let one speak for you and let the remaining of your outfits, the remaining of your dressing that day remain silent, while one particular one out of it speaks the whole language that you want to express out there for people to know. Let it just shine. Talking about letting it shine, it means that you balance it out. And also, the most important thing of all that I've said today, if you don't take anything from the beginning to the middle, now to the end, please think about this when you're dressing up. Dress for yourself. Let your personality shine through. You are your own canvas. Dress in a way that suits your body, but always be mindful of the message you are trying to pass across there, because people will address you the way you dress. And finally, my ladies, let your personality speak louder than the brand name. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.